And as you all know, I do a lot of hair videos that I started. That's what I started doing on the channel when I started. See what I mean? This is difficult. This is difficult. Um, because it's like the trend of thought is there. You know what you want to say, but when you start saying it, it's like so many other things that want you to come out and stuff. But anyway,
talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me. I'm here. Hello, guys. Oh my God, it has been so long, too long since I've been on here. But hello, hi. How have you been? How are you doing? I am back. Hopefully, back for a while this time because I've been back a few times. Yeah, I've been back a few times and I make that one video saying I'm back and then I don't do any other videos after that. So let's hope this is not one of those situations. Okay, so but hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Joanne Gist, MumNatural. And if you would notice, if you have been on the cover of my page, you would have seen that I changed the name of my channel to just MumNatural Hair and Life. I had it initially as just MumNatural, and then I changed it to Joanne Gist MumNatural because I wanted for if someone entered my name that they would be able to find my channel. But then I went back to MumNatural and just put the hair and life so that it includes in the name of the channel what I do hair, because I started the channel doing hair videos, so I'm gonna try and continue that. And I'm gonna incorporate a lot of things that I do on a daily basis, do a little vlogging here and there, do some DIYs here and there, and yeah, although I do have a dedicated channel for my DIYs and I have a dedicated channel for my cooking videos, so I will just share maybe the shorts from those channels here that you all can then go to the other channels. But guys, this is it. We are going to start off all these little videos with a length check. So as you can see, this is one of the styles. Well, it's a little similar to one of the styles that I did back then for my Christmas hairstyle. So let me take off the glasses. So I did this side little bun, put it in some little twist and pin it to the side. Guys, now I have to tell you something. I have strangely developed this is really hard for me. This is really hard for me because it means that I can't even use the oil that I make normally. But I have developed what is the word I'm looking for? Well, I'm not finding the right word. I'm just gonna go with allergy. But I have developed this reaction to peppermint oil. So whenever I put peppermint oil into my scalp, it hurts so badly, and then I get this little pimple type stuff on my scalp. So I washed my hair last weekend, and I think the oils that she used and the products that she used, because I did a moisture treatment as well, there was some peppermint in there. And guys, let me tell you, my scalp is so sore right now, like especially here in the middle. It's really sore. I am not even sure what happened, but I think there was a time I did a treatment and I put in way too much peppermint oil in there, and I think since that time that's what happened, and I have been feeling it since then. So anytime I use anything with the slightest bit of peppermint oil, my scalp is inflamed. It just gets so painful. It is really sore. I get these little pimples that they're not huge, they're tiny pimples, but then they have the little pussy thing that you can burst off and stuff. So I just have to end up washing and wetting the hair again. But this time I decided I'm going to suck it up because I can't pay to wash and blow dry my hair, and I'm going to have to just wet it all over again. But anywho, so guys, like I was saying, let's get back to this. We are going to do the length check today because honestly I need to start back taking care of my hair. And I will let you know that the time my hair was thriving the most is when I was doing the videos for you guys, because I was doing the hair very often, and like I have said before, styling my hair actually grows my hair. So when I stopped recording the videos, I just kind of just let go on doing anything with the hair and taking care of the hair. So I would go days on end, weeks on end sometimes, not detangling the hair, just getting up, brushing it into a bun, go to work. And I started using way too much gels than I used to use before, because I used to have it all slick and nice. Brush it, put it in a bun, that's it. Sometimes do that for a week plus, And when I felt like it, just go into the shower, wet it, rinse it without necessarily washing, put a little conditioner to make it easier to detangle, and that was it. Shameful, I know. Saying it out loud makes it even worse, but that's what it has been. I'm being honest. So I'm honestly hoping that I can go into doing a few more styles for you all. And guys, if you have been on my channel and you see the hair now, as you can recall, last year August I did a big chop, trim, chop. So this is where we are now. So we're gonna do this length check so we can, yeah. All right, so tip measure. All right, so let's take first from the left side at the front. And the good thing is this hair is stretched, so it makes it much easier for us to do this. Scalp, calm down. Okay, so it's 9 inches. 9 inches on the front left. Let's do the right. 9 inches as well on the right. Let's go to the middle. Guys, and one of the things I have noticed, even when she was washing the hair, there are a few short spots, I think, to hair and on this side. So that's one of the things that I really want to start taking care of. Okay, so let's see. Middle, oh wow, 11 inches. So that's, oh wow, that's surprising. That is quite surprising because the middle of my hair is normally very short. Okay, so back left, 9.5, back right. 9. All right, so this is it. So yeah, now guys, what I will do, I do need to level out this hair because when I did the big chop last year, some parts ended up being shorter than the others. Although I think right now the way I have it, it does not look that way. I think because of how I pat it so deep on this left side here, so it kind of looks like it's almost even in somewhat, in a way, in a sense. So I may have to use this part going forward in order to do my styling so that it does not look like it is so out of proportion. But I will see. I will look at it and see how it goes. But this is the hair right now. So guys, this was it. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for sticking around, guys, even when I haven't been here on the channel doing so many videos. But hopefully this goes into way more videos to come. Yeah, and I'm hoping that I can do a lot more vlogging. I have been trying to do the vlogging, but going out and putting up my camera is just so difficult because when I go out, I want to enjoy the event. I want to enjoy what I went to enjoy. So, you know, taking out a camera and recording and stuff, it kind of becomes a little difficult, but hopefully I can start going into some of it. But if there are any hairstyles that you all would want me to try, let me know. Let me know in the comment section below how you all have been. How has the season been treating you all? We are going into Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas to all of you. Hope you all had a wonderful year, and I wish for you a wonderful, blessed, prosperous, healthy 2026. And I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.